guys, so just a quick video. I've got a special brush here. Actually a very good brush, high quality brush. You can see it's got stuff on it. Now this is my brush now. It was actually my uncle gave it to me, but it was my granddad's brush. So some of you probably didn't actually realise, but I do come from a bit of a plastering background. Now my granddad, I wouldn't have said he was a plasterer, more very joiner background. But the older ones, you guys came from, well, definitely that generation. They came from a generation where if you had to fix something, you probably didn't have the money to do it, so you had to fix it yourself. Very DIY, very competent men back then, and women, of course. But his father was a plasterer. I know that much. He did plaster walls and stuff, and obviously my dad has told me all these things. But yeah, this was my granddad's brush, and my uncle gave it to me, and I said, you know what I'll do with this brush? I'll use this brush to help plaster my own new build here. But yeah, so hopefully a bit of something can come from this wee bit of, you know, that work ethic that all them old timers had, especially my granddad. Obviously a man that, you know, an actual great man, guys, to be honest with you. Much like my father, very important to me. So yeah, gonna look forward to using this brush, getting all the ceilings done, all the skimming done. Obviously I will use other brushes too, but this is gonna be, you know, hung up on the wall after this job. So hopefully I don't break it. I think my uncle might come kill me, and maybe my dad after he watches this. But yes, appreciate my uncle chopping this up. It actually does mean a lot as well. Just, you know, I don't know, maybe I'm a bit crazy. Well, you know I'm a bit crazy, but yeah.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Definitely a bit of a sentimental brush for sure.